Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Flutter, the game-changing framework for cross-platform app development. Whether you're a newbie in the coding world or a seasoned developer, this video is your ultimate guide to becoming a Flutter pro. We'll take you through each step, from the basics to advanced techniques. So, let's get ready to revolutionize your app development skills with Flutter. 1. Getting started with Flutter. Begin by setting up your Flutter development environment. We'll guide you through installing Flutter SDK and choosing your preferred IDE, whether it's Visual Studio Code or Android Studio. 2. Understanding Flutter basics. Explore the basics of Flutter development. Learn about widgets, the building blocks of Flutter UI, and how Flutter's hot reload feature accelerates your development process. 3. Creating stunning user interfaces. Dive into Flutter's UI magic. Discover how to craft beautiful, responsive, and pixel-perfect user interfaces using Flutter's extensive collection of widgets. 4. Navigating and routing in Flutter. Master app navigation and routing in Flutter. Learn how to create navigation flows, handle user interactions, and switch between different screens seamlessly. 5. State management techniques. Explore different state management techniques in Flutter. From stateful widget to provider, block, and river pod, we'll guide you through managing app states efficiently. 6. Networking and API integration. Learn how to make API calls and handle network requests in Flutter. We'll cover packages like HTTP and DO to fetch and display dynamic data in your app. 7. Working with databases. Discover how to work with databases in Flutter. We'll explore options like SQLite and Firebase Firestore to store and retrieve data for your applications. 8. Building responsive layouts. Explore responsive design principles in Flutter. Understand how to create layouts that adapt to different screen sizes and orientations for a consistent user experience. 9. Adding animations and interactivity. Master adding animations and interactivity to your Flutter apps. Learn how to make your UI elements come to life with smooth animations and user interactions. 10. Testing and debugging. Learn essential testing and debugging techniques in Flutter. Explore unit testing, widget testing, and debugging tools to ensure the quality of your apps. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed our step-by-step guide to mastering Flutter development. By following these points, you're well on your way to becoming a skilled Flutter developer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming tutorials and tips.